So we're back for another What's for Dinner Tonight. So my darlings, this is what I'm having for lunch today, and this is what I call leftover nachos. And but what I mean by that is I had some chicken breasts that was already cooked up, so I put some chicken on there, some green pepper that we have that my hubby grew, the pepper, and just some cheese that was left, mozzarella cheese that was left over, and I put some hot sauce on there and a little bit of the bacon Caesar dressing that was left, just a little bit, and then I've got some sour cream there. So this is what I'm calling leftover nachos. Oh, and the actual tortilla chips there was only a little bit left. So this is what I'm calling leftover nachos. And see, sometimes you just need to take a trip around your fridge and you can come up with something. I mean, obviously I didn't come up with, I didn't invent nachos, but I'm just saying, like, you can come up with different things, whatever you have in your fridge that might be able to go on some nachos. So this is what I'm having. And I just put them under the broiler. So, hope you're having a great lunch, and yum, yum, yum. So here's what's for dinner tonight, my darlings. We're at Denny's. Yes, we are. I know what I'm here to get. I want, sorry for the glare. I want their double cheeseburger like I did on my birthday. It was so good.
I should have said no less.
Here's it.
She has at 2 o'clock in the morning and she's like, ooh.
So we just have some water here, but the first time our water went flying, and then poor Rob's, when she brought our meals, his French fries went flying off her tray. It's kind of funny. Anyways, I cut my burger. This is what we're having. This is what we're having for dinner tonight, my darlings. Wish you were all here. So, this is what I'm having for dessert tonight. Some cheesecake with some fruit on top. So here's what we're having for dinner tonight. This North Atlantic haddock fillets. There were 3 left, so I thought I'd cook them up. I wouldn't buy this again. It's not because of the fish. Well, maybe it is. It's just the first time I cooked them, it was just the water that I cooked them like right from frozen, and there was just so much water, so I wasn't sure if they were really cooked because there was just so much water, and they don't give you, they give you how long, like middle rack for 20 to 30 minutes, but they don't give you like what you should set your oven at, so you have to kind of guess. And so I would just not get these again. So I'm just cooking them up tonight, so I'll show you here in a second how it turned out or didn't turn out. And I'm just pairing it with some mashed potatoes, and we're going to have some carrot sticks on the side. So this is what we're having for dinner tonight. So here's what the Atlantic haddock looks like coming out of the oven. And then I've got some mashed potatoes made there. And here it is, my darlings. Here's what we're having for dinner tonight. It's all plated up. The haddock, some carrot sticks, and some mashed potatoes that I made. And yeah, I told you that I wouldn't be buying these again, just because they're hard to cook, and I guess I'm not very good at cooking them. So we're just using them up. But yeah, that's what we're having for dinner tonight, my darlings. Hope you're all doing well, and I hope you're having a great night and a great dinner as well. Good. So I just wanted to share with you, I got this beautiful Hark the Herald Angels Sing card from one of my aunts and uncles. So thank you to them. It's beautiful. I hope they're having a great Christmas season. And I also got this beautiful Merry Christmas card from my friend Erin here on YouTube. She has a YouTube channel called Oh My Goals. Go check her out. She does awesome videos on like financing and that kind of thing. And this is her little pug. So darling. So thank you so much, Erin, for thinking of me and my husband. I hope you and your husband have a wonderful, wonderful Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year. Thank you so, so much. So we're back for another What's for Dinner tonight. And tonight I'm just eating on my own tonight. So I cooked up some shrimp. They were raw and I just cooked them up. And I also cooked up some bacon and I grated some cheese. Here's the rest of the bacon there. And then I've got fries going on. Ooh, it's getting steamy in here. Okay. That was not good. Come back to me. So hopefully you can see this. I put the bacon on, little bacon bits, the cheese, and some shrimp, and I'm going to put it under the broiler now. I understand this isn't the healthiest dinner, but like I said, I'm eating on my own tonight. Hubby isn't here, so this is what I'm making for myself. And I'm really looking forward to it. So here it is, my darlings, my shrimp bacon poutine. There's cheese on there, and there's fries, and I put a little bit of Caesar bacon dressing. A little parsley for garnish. Good. So that's what I'm having for dinner tonight, my darlings. Hope you're all having a good one. Cheers! So, my darlings, this is what I'm having for dinner tonight. Pizza Hut. And this is, if I can open it here, it's the pizza that I ordered. It's just, I put pepperoni, green olives, and bacon on there. And it was a deal for $25.99. So you got to pick two sauces, so I picked the creamy garlic, and I also have 8 chicken bites in here. And here are the chicken bites. I got garlic parmesan on them. I guess I'll have to shake it up. But once again, I'm eating alone. Hubby's away, so I thought I would treat myself and get some pizza brought in. So sorry for the... So that's what I'm having, but I better get at it or it's going to be really cold. So that's what I'm having for dinner tonight, my darlings. Hope you're having something good too. Let me know what your favorite pizza place is. I'd love to hear it down below. So here's what we're having for dinner tonight, my darlings. I'm doing a crock pot meal tonight. You've seen me do this before. So I will take the lid off so you can see. I've got pork chops in there, some potatoes and carrots. And that's what we're having for dinner tonight. Sorry about the lighting. Hope you guys are having a good one. Good. So here is my festive lunch, my darlings. This is what I'm having for lunch. I made myself a Starbucks drink, festive drink there. And it's Starbucks caramel macchiato, and I just put a little bit of cream and then whipped cream, and it's kind of been sitting, so the whipped cream's kind of fallen a little bit, but that's my drink from Starbucks. And then my beautiful kind of garden Caesar salad with shrimp. And this is what I'm having for lunch today. Good. Oh, it smells lovely in here from the shrimp. So this is what I'm eating today for my lunch to get the festive Christmas spirit. Hope you're all doing well and having a great lunch too. Good. So my darlings, here's what we're having for dinner tonight. We're having tortellini. It's like one of my favorite meals. And I made the sauce. And it's beef tortellini. And I put red peppers in there. Garlic, chopped fresh garlic. So this is what we're having for dinner tonight. Good. Hope you're having a great dinner. And here's what's for dinner tonight, my darlings. We have a piece of salmon, some butterflied shrimp, and some green beans on a bed of rice. So this is what we're having for dinner tonight. Good. Hope you're all having a great night.